If Telegram is showing the message, an error has occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get Telegram working again on your Windows PC or in your browser. We'll cover network resets, system checks, and app fixes that solve the most common causes of this issue. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Now let's get into it. First, we'll start with the network side of things, because in many cases, Telegram errors are caused by DNS issues, cached network settings, or a broken internet handshake. The first fix is to flush your DNS. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears old DNS data that may be blocking Telegram from connecting properly. After that, you should see a message confirming the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, we're going to reset Winsock. This is another important network repair that can fix connection problems with apps like Telegram. In the same administrator command prompt window, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Windows will process the command and let you know that you need to restart your computer to complete the reset. Go ahead and restart your PC before moving to the next step. Once your computer boots back up, open Telegram again and check whether the error is gone. If not, the next thing to verify is your date and time settings. This might sound simple, but if your system clock is wrong, Telegram can fail to connect because secure servers rely on correct time synchronization. To check this, right-click the clock in the taskbar and open Date and Time settings. Make sure Set Time automatically is turned on and also confirm that your time zone is correct. If needed, click Sync now so Windows updates the time immediately. After that, reopen Telegram and test it again. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to reinstall Telegram completely. Sometimes the desktop app becomes corrupted, outdated, or missing files, and a fresh install solves the problem fast. To do this, open Settings, go to Apps, find Telegram and uninstall it. After that, open your browser and go to the official Telegram website to download the latest desktop version. Make sure you use the official Telegram site so you get the safest and most up-to-date installer. Once the download finishes, install Telegram again, sign in, and see if the issue is resolved. If you use Telegram in your browser instead of the desktop app, there's one more very useful trick. Telegram has different web instances, and if one version is failing, another version may work fine. Try switching between web.telegram.org/a/ and web.telegram.org/k/. These are different web versions, and one may load correctly even if the other gives you an error. Just open each one in a new tab and test which version works best for your device and browser. Also, if Telegram still isn't loading, try clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window, because stored site data can sometimes interfere with login or loading pages. At this point, one of these fixes should usually solve the problem. Start with DNS and Winsock, then check your date and time, then reinstall the app if needed, and finally test the alternate web versions if you're using Telegram in a browser. These steps cover the most common reasons Telegram shows an error has occurred, and they work for many users who are stuck on login or connection screens. If this video helped you fix Telegram, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.